Welcome back to AI Money Making Center. Imagine waking up and seeing money in your bank account, without lifting a finger. Sounds like a dream? Thanks to AI automations, it's now a reality. In this video, I'll show you how to set up money-making systems that run 24/7, even while you sleep. Whether you're a student, a 9-to-5 worker, or just tired of trading time for money, these AI-powered ideas will help you generate income passively, using tools that are either free or incredibly cheap. Idea number 1. AI-powered print-on-demand store. Use tools like ChatGPT to brainstorm funny or niche t-shirt ideas. Then use Canva AI or Leonardo AI to design them. Upload to platforms like Redbubble or Etsy, and every time someone buys your design, you earn money while you sleep. No inventory, no shipping, 100% passive. Next, YouTube automation. Use ChatGPT to write scripts, 11 Labs for voiceovers, and Pictory to generate videos with stock footage. You don't have to show your face. Once monetized, your videos can generate ad revenue 24/7, even while you're dreaming. Third, AI affiliate blogging. Use ChatGPT to write blog posts in minutes. Embed affiliate links to Amazon, digital tools, or courses. Tools like WordPress plus Rank Math AI help you rank on Google. Once the posts are up, they keep generating traffic and commissions around the clock. Passive income doesn't mean zero work, it means smart systems. AI is giving you the tools, you just need to put them together. Want me to show you how to build one of these step by step? Drop a comment below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more AI income hacks.